Hello students, in today's lecture you will learn about the sets, a basic introduction. The concept of set is very useful in every branch of mathematics, that is the trigonometry, algebra, coordinate geometry, statistics, calculus. In every branch of mathematics this concept is very important. In our daily life we go through with some examples, that is the collection of odd natural numbers less than 15, collection of vowels in English alphabet, all colors of rainbow, roots of the equation x square minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0, that is 3 and minus 1. These examples are well defined collection of objects. But in example number 5th and 6th, all good books of mathematics, the best cricket players of Indian cricket team, are not well defined collection because there are different opinions of different persons. So these are not well defined collection. So a well defined collection of objects which are also known as elements or members is called set. So whenever we discuss about set, we discuss about well defined collections of objects. Sets are usually denoted by capital letters, capital A, capital B, capital C, etc. and members or elements of sets are denoted by lowercase letters, that is small a, small b, small c, small d, etc. If X is a member of set capital A, then we write X belongs to A. This epsilon sign shows belongs to A or a member of. Read as X belongs to A. If X and Y both belongs to A, then we write XY belongs to A. If X is not a member of capital A, then we write down X not belongs to A. In not belongs, we have to write down epsilon sign and draw a cross on that sign. So this shows not belongs to A. In the basic introduction of X, our first important topic is representation of sets. There are two ways to represent a given set. Number one, roster form or tabular form. Here we list all the members of set within the braces. That is, in the roster form we use the braces, or we can say curly bracket, and separate by commas all the elements. Example, that the set of all even natural number less than 15 can be written as capital A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So this is the roster form. Here 2 belongs to A, 6 belongs to A, but 5 is not member of this set, so 5 does not belongs to A. Next example, the set capital S of all vowels in English alphabets, which is denoted as capital S is equals to A, E, I, O, U, which are separated by commas and enclosed in curly braces. Now the important things, the order of listing of elements can be changed in the set. That is, if we denote a set 1, 2, 3, 4, then it can be also written as 4, 3, 2, 1. Second important point, the same elements in a set will not be repeat. That is, list its members one in a set. That is, if A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, then A will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 will come only one time. Next example, the set X of letter in the word mathematics, then X can be written as M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. M is repeat, but we will write only it in single time. The next one is set builder form or rule method. Here we introduce a variable X, represent any member of set which is followed by a colon. Thereafter we write property satisfied by each member of the set, then enclose whole description within the braces. Let set capital A will be equal to curly braces X, where X has property P. At the place of colon, we also use the symbol, this one, where both stand for such that. Example, S is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16 up to so on. then S will be equal to X, where X is the square of a natural number, because here are square of natural number. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, up to so on. So this is the set builder form. Here we interact with some set. Number 1, capital N, set of natural number. Number 2, capital Z, set of integers. Number 3, Q, set of all rational number. Number 4, capital R, set of all real numbers. Number 5, capital R plus, set of all positive real numbers. Number 6, Z plus, set of all positive integers. Now we start some problems to understand the concept more clearly. Describe the set of all vowels in the word equation. We know that vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Then this set can be written as A, E, I, O, U. So this is the roster form. In question number 2, describe the set of all even natural number in the set builder form. Since we know that all even natural number are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up to so on, which are multiple of 2, which are multiple of 2. So in the set builder form, this can be written as, let capital S X, where X follow the property X is equals to multiple of 2, that is 2n, where small n belongs to set of natural number. This is the set builder form, where X is a variable we introduce. We connect this variable with the property 2 into n, where small n belongs to n. In the question number 3, describe X, where X is equals to n upon n square plus 1n, n square plus 1, n is greater than equal to 1 and less than equals to 3, where small n belongs to n, the set in roster form. So we have to write in the roster form. So to write down in the roster form, we explore this relation. For n is equals to 1, X will be equal to 1 upon 1 square plus 1, that is 1 by 2. For n is equal to 2, this will be 2 upon 2 square plus 1, that is 2 by 5. For n is equals to 3, X will be equal to 3 upon 3 square plus 1, that is 3 by 10. So this set can be written as capital A is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 3 by 10, which is the roster form. Question number 4, write the set 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7, 7 by 8, 8 by 9, 9 by 10 in set builder form. Since here each element in given set has denominator 1 more than numerator. Also numerator not exceed 9, also numerator not exceed 9, that is small n belongs to n and small n less than equals to 9. So this set X can be written as X where X is equals to n upon n plus 1, that is denominator 1 more than the numerator, n belongs to n, where small n less than equals to 9. So by the property we show the roster form of this set into the set builder format. So students, in this lecture you learned about the basic introduction and the representation or description on set, that is the roster form and set builder form. So in the continuation of the lecture 1, you will learn about the types of set and their related problems in next video.